Here we come to the elevator at Bolton Hall at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. It's a Dover Impulse from 1986. This is an updated take. And if you remember correctly, this elevator has a low-pitched Dover buzz. I think you might be able to hear the motor over the fan. Check this out. It's got the old bumper. One is burned out on the indicator. We'll go back up to one end there. There's your phone. Finally got a good take on this one. Well, other than that, I've pretty much gotten almost all the elevators at A&M. I like all my favorite ones, the older kind of elevators, that is. And I'm also gonna sample the down chime. Perfect. Well, that is much more A&M theme colored than what I anticipated. So with that being said, that's your updated take on the elevator at Bolton Hall. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.